Excited for Korea? No daw yung isa. Okay, ready na yung mga outfit nila. We're packing and this is our luggage. Good morning! And we are here. Hi, Sarin! Sarin! Hi! We're here at McDonald's to get some midnight snack because we're going to hahatid kami ni Kalel at ni Daddy sa airport. We're going to Korea na. First time in Korea and first time to travel with two girls. So, two girls ang kasama ko ngayon at yung best friend ko at yung anak niyang babae. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Say bye-bye! Pray for the safe flight. Kalel, pray! Pray! Dali!
This guide our girls will be traveling and having their vacation in Korea. I hope they have fun and I hope they enjoy Korea.
Aww, miss ka daw niya. Aww. Akala mo OFW. Magpapakalan na. Kalel, nalulungkot ka ba? Naiiyak din. Iiyak na yan. Kalel, kiss mo na kami. Iiyak na yan. Parang happy-happy ka. Ay, di mo pa kinikiss.
Mamaya.
Wala, naiiyak na lang. Naiiyak.
Don't worry.
Ayan.
I will call you.
Bakit naiiyak?
Then, ay mo. Sama ka ba? Halika na, sama ka.
Wala.
Iyak na iyak. Ako naman natatawa ako. O siya, bye-bye. Let's go. Let's fall in line here. Okay, so eto na kami. Ay, twinning pala kami ni Ninang. Look outfit namin ni Ninang. Oh.
Sarin's gonna lay down na.
Ikaw, stand up. Oh, go. Go. Charlie. Hi. Good morning, Sarin. Sarap ba tulog mo, Sarin? Wala siya sa mood as usual. So we're waiting for a train. Korean sign. Korean sign.
Korean sign like this.
Korean sign. Sarin, Korean sign. Hi, welcome to Korea. Heart, heart, heart. Ayan po ang luggage at ang loob nito ay luggage din. Dahil magsha-shopping po tayo ng skincare. Welcome to Korea! Just behave, okay? First order of business, bibimbap, seaweed soup, meat stew, yummy. I'll sit in front. Go! Doon na lang tayo sa likod. A van going to the hotel. Annyeonghaseyo! Okay. Time to rest. Check-in na kami sa hotel namin. So, nag-check-in kami sa Sky Park Central Myeongdong kasi yun yung city. So, pagbaba mo daw, marami na daw mga kiosk doon, ng mga kainan.
Sky Park in Myeongdong Central.
Yeah. Let's go! Welcome to our hotel! Wow, grabe. Oh. Automatic check-in na dito. May 7-Eleven sa baba. And guess what? This is it. Puro kainan na sa paligid. Mukhang masarap dun ah. Maraming, ayun, BFF steak. Yan na yung center oh. Kainan na to. Yummy. And then mommy will eat some cherries. Grabe, sarap dito. Ang daming kainan. Pero ang kinain lang namin ay maloka ka. Mais, cherry, and fruits. So, ang mas pwede na rin ilagay sa boobs at kung saan-saan. Maloka. Yummy! Okay. While the other girls are shopping, they want sleepers. This one wants Food! Only food, right? Good job. Kaya ang taba na nito, Daddy, pag uwi nito. I love it. Harp, look at the marshmallow. Grabe. Buena, nabudol ka na. Tama na to. Ayan po siya, budol po siya ng mga skincare. Ito yung talaga yung pinorta namin sa Korea. Oh, pak. Oh. If you know, you know. Ito kay BFF, budol na budol siya. Hindi pa tapos, halika na. 748,000 po tayo na worth ng skincare. In one. Ayun naman, oh. Sa wall yan, syempre. Mga pasalubong sa Pilipinas at mga personals.
A few moments later.
This is the legit Korean barbecue. No. Are you hungry? It's a dream come true for me. My favorite Korean barbecue.
I like it too because they have the nice smell.
Guys, ang galing nila magluto ng steak dito. Oh. Sarap. Eat steak. So that's our hotel and that's where we ate. Napakasarap. Ayan. So, kabila niyan mga ano na yung Lotte Mall ba yun? Ganun. City Center. And we're going to do our grocery. Ay, dito pa lang BFF may mabibili ka na ng mga pambudol eh. Ayan, oh. Budol sa 7-Eleven. Look at this. Yummy ice cream, Korean ice cream, Korean. Oh, nabubudol po siya ng kung ano-ano tea. Kako din, kung ano-anong kape. So guys, it's our mask day. So dito sa Korea, they have a mask for kids. Everyday mask ka dito kasi libre ang mask. Pag marami kang binili sa mga skincare nila, libre ang mask. So bago kami matulog, it's our first day. Magmamask kami. Okay, let's put na. Go. Oh, close your eyes. I'm excited.
Is there cucumber?
Yeah. No, bango. Wala mo. Swell. Go. Ready? Okay, ganyan ka. Okay, what up? Oh, close your eyes. I'll tell you if it's like... Ay, ba't ka magulo? Teka, baka makain mo. Ang laki! Ang liit kasi.
Next is cucumber.
Here, Harp.
Don't like. You don't want cucumber?
Bango.
Okay.
Kasi si Charlize, bawal pa sa kanya ang mask. Okay. Okay. Okay, so ito yung mga nabudol na mask kanina. And ito na tayo ngayon. Okay, so guys, that's our first day for today. Good night, everyone. By the way, this is our spontaneous trip. Last month lang kami nagplan ni BFF. So, wala pa kaming K-visa. Nag-apply kami agad. Nag-book na kami ng tickets, ng flight. So, sale sa AirAsia, sumakto. Kaya mura yung flight na nakuha namin. And then, pag magpupunta kayo dito, go to Myeongdong. We are here at Sky Park Hotel. So, we got this for only, I think, last month lang kami nagbuka. O, hindi lang, mga 3 weeks ago lang, no? We got this for, I think, 8,000. Pero kung mas maaga per night. Pero kung mas maaga kayo mag-book, baka may 4K makuha nyo to. Ganun ata siya, kamura. Tapos, ang ganda ng location, nasa city. Pagbaba mo, nandyan na yung mga kainan ng mga street food. Lahat. Tapos, pagtawid mo, nandun na yung mga mall, yung mga Chanel, Louis Vuitton, ganyan, Zara, and all. Andito lahat. So, sobrang ganda. At nandito yung mga skincare. Okay, so tapos na kami mamili kanina, as you can see. Ngayon, ginagamit na namin yung mga pinamili namin. Ang mga free. Actually, pag namili ka dito ng maraming. Bakit? Ang pangit natin. Oh my gosh, you're so scary. I think we have to go. See you tomorrow. Good night. Good night, everyone. Good night, mga ka-forever.